Assalamu alaikum everyone. We're going to try an exam question. Let's get started. Here is a solid sphere and a solid cone. Volume of the sphere is given in this question as 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and the volume of the cone is also given. The question says the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cone. Find the ratio R to H and give the answer in the simplest form. Okay, volume of the sphere be 4 over 3 pi r cubed. That will be equal to 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Now, in order to get rid of the denominators, I multiply both sides by 3. This will leave me with 4 pi r cubed equals pi r squared h. Now I divide both sides by pi. This would give me 4r cubed is equal to r squared h. And then I finally divide both sides by r squared. Leaving with h equals 4r. Now whenever I have an equation and I need to write it as a ratio, I first need to make one of the letters the subject, which is the case here. H is the subject of this equation, h equals 4r. The next thing is I make a table of values, r and h, and I choose a value for the letter that is not the subject. In this case, that is r. If there was a fraction that was a coefficient of r, I would choose values that were multiples of the denominator. However, this is not a fraction, it's 4r, so I will just use a number which is very easy. In this case, I will use the number 1. So when r is 1, the value of h be 4 times 1, which is 4. And if r was 2, h would be 8, and so on. So when I write down the ratio r to h, finally, I can just write it down as 1 to 4. And if I did 2 to 8, I would simplify it by dividing both sides by 2, which would result again as 1 to 4. Okay, that's all for this particular question. The second question will be in the next video.